Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Daniela Fuentes. I'm the co-founder of Green Biofactory, a biotech company who creates a platform to produce recombinant proteins in microalgae. This platform, called ProAlgae, can produce any type of proteins to satisfy different industry needs. In particular, we are interested in the animal feed industry, and for that, we are creating our first product called Powerfit, which is a microalgae-based animal fed supplement to obtain faster-grown animals. Why Powerfit? Pork is the world's most consumed meat, and because of the increase on the population, the consumption is expected to increase at least 3 times by the year 2050. For that reason, and to satisfy this growing demand, the pork industry has to face 3 main challenges. The first one is to make production more efficient, which means that you have to produce more meat using the same resources. Also, reduce the feeding costs. Nowadays, it's like 50% of the production costs are just for the feeding cost. And also, it's important to reduce the animal waste. In order to satisfy and to help the pork industry to face these challenges, we are creating Powerfit. There is a microalgae-based animal fat supplement that enhances the natural development of muscular mass on pigs. How this technology works? Our technology is based on a specific protein that is involved in the early stage of muscular development in the animal, and it is known that if the protein is injected in the animal, increase the muscular mass. Using this protein and also our platform ProAlgae, and using genetic engineering, we create microalgae that express this specific protein. After that, we scale the biomass and we obtain a powder of Powerfit. Powerfit is used feeding the animals combined with the animal food. It's important to mention that we only use Powerfit in the early stage of development on the pig. The advantages of our product for the producer is there are faster completion of pork production cycle. It's a natural pig protein product, and also it's very easy to use. And the benefits for us as a company is there are no need of protein purification, there are low cost of production, and also there are no regulatory barriers in Chile, Brazil, US, China, and Germany, which are the key markets of the pork industry. We are seeking to develop a patent for the production method and also the composition of our product. And the idea is to register this in the key markets like China, US, Brazil, and Germany. As you can see, this is a very huge market. And he is represented in this graphic. This is the annual pig production. You can see the global market represents 977 millions of pigs. Just the Latin American market represents 66 millions of pigs, and the Chilean market is 2.9 millions of pigs. We expect to begin our commercialization in Chile, as you can see in the next slides. Our competition, the main products that are related with this technology, here I show you both, 2 of them, which improve the digestion of the animal. And even though both reducing the feeding cost per unit, our product also increase the muscular mass, reduce the production cycles, decrease the amount of antibiotics used per pig, and also there is a reduction on animal waste. This is our timeline. We already have funded for this. We already have funds for this project by the government from Corfo, and now we are doing. We already have the microalgae, and we are scaling, and we expect to the next months to begin the pigs to test our product in pigs. After that, we expect to begin the IP, and by the year 2018, we expect to begin our commercialization. We have a go-to-market strategy. We have 2 strategies. First, the local. We expect to begin and to validate our product in the Chilean market. And for that, we already have an alliance with the CCAP, which is a Center for Porcine Innovation here in Chile. And they will do all the animal, they will test our product with their animals. And also, it's very important because CCAP, it was found by the main companies of pork producers here in Chile. So we already have established an alliance with them, and we have the connection to begin the commercialization with the main producers of pork. Also, we are establishing some alliance with microalgae producers and feed producers to complete the value chain of our product. And the second strategy is the global market, and to do that, we expect to license our technology in the main countries that are pork producers. Also, I would like to talk a little bit about our company. We are a startup founded in 2013, and we are independent from any university. And we develop our own facilities for research and also for microalgae cultivation. And we have a capacity to scale our biomass in order to begin the product commercialization. Our team is, we are two founders, and both are PhD in molecular genetics and microbiology. And also we have a multidisciplinary team. We have Jordi as a commercial consulting, and Alan as a legal consulting, and as advisor we have Rich Yu, which is a scientific operator of QB3 incubator, and also is partner of a Mission Bay Capital. Finally, we already have some funding from the government for Corfo and from Startup Chile, and also from private institutions like Fundación Copec UC.